Albert W. Chianese & Associates PC is a general practice law firm located in New York, focused on providing legal representation to people who have been injured as a result of treatment received from a dentist and for people who have suffered a construction site injury. Mr. Chianese has successfully tried dental malpractice and construction accident cases throughout the New York metropolitan area. Most recently, in January 2011, he obtained a verdict of $310,000 for an 18-year-old girl whose dentist failed to provide her with the proper informed consent. Mr. Chianese was recognized as one of the top attorneys in the New York metro area by New York Super Lawyers 2010 Metro Edition for personal injury plaintiffs' medical malpractice. The firm has successfully handled numerous construction site injury cases involving faulty scaffolding and inadequate equipment. The firm has over 40 years' experience in handling personal injury cases. The firm regularly litigates in the following counties: Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, New York, Nassau, Suffolk, Richmond, and Westchester. The attorneys of Albert W. Chianese & Associates are prepared to discuss the circumstances of your prospective lawsuit. There is never a fee for this consultation.